In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customer lists from QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the correct company file before you continue, especially if you manage more than one business account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're ready for the next step. Now, go to the Customer section. This is where QuickBooks stores your customer information, including names, contact details, and other related records. Depending on your layout, you may find this section from the left-hand navigation menu. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right area before moving forward. From there, click Customer Types or Open the Customer List. Either option can help you access the customer records you want to export. If you simply need the full list, opening the main customer list is usually the most direct option. This is a good time to quickly scan the screen and confirm that the customers shown are the ones you want included in the export. Next, look to the upper right corner and click the export icon, or the Export to Excel option if it's already visible. In QuickBooks Online, export tools are typically placed near the top of the page for easy access. If you don't see it right away, pause for a second and check the icons carefully, since the exact appearance can vary slightly depending on your version or screen size. After that, select Export to Excel. This tells QuickBooks that you want to create a spreadsheet version of your customer list. Exporting to Excel is useful because it makes your data easier to review, organize, share internally, or use for reporting purposes. When prompted, choose where you want to save the exported file on your computer. Pick a location that will be easy to find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated business folder. If needed, you can also rename the file so it's easier to recognize, especially if you plan to export updated customer lists regularly. Once the file has finished downloading, open the Excel file to verify your customer list. Check that the information exported correctly and make sure the list includes the records you expected. This quick review can help you catch any missing data or formatting issues before you use the file for anything important. That's all it takes to export a customer list from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.